Vietnam's top university says English will be second language. A leading university in Vietnam wants all students to speak and study in English. The National Economics University says it will make English its second language by the year 2030. This means more classes will be taught in English and students will need strong English skills to graduate. The university believes English is important for students who want good jobs in the future. Many companies today work with people from other countries, so they need workers who can speak English well. NEU also hopes that students will have more chances to study abroad and work in international companies if they can speak English fluently. However, this change will not be easy. Some students still find English difficult, and some teachers may need training too. The university plans to offer extra classes, clubs, and support to help everyone improve. NEU says it wants to prepare students for a world where English is used every day, not just in school, but in life.